Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you the best shaders for low-end PCs, or the top Minecraft shader packs. Let's begin. Okay, so first things first, if you haven't already, click on the Get Minecraft and choose these platforms. You can click on the Windows, for Mac, which is Java only, Linux, Java only. And from here, you can choose the version of Minecraft, the Deluxe Collection, and the Minecraft Java Edition. And after following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, finding the best shaders for low-end PCs can greatly enhance your Minecraft experience without, of course, sacrificing too much performance. And again, here are some shader packs that are known for being well optimized and suitable for low-end systems. Alright, number one is the Lagless Shaders, or Light or Enhanced Default. As you can see, it offers a range of options from light to enhanced default, providing different levels of visual enhancement while keeping performance in mind. The light version is particularly suitable for low-end PCs, offering a nice visual upgrade without being too demanding. Now, I've used Lagless Shaders in the past. It's not giving you much demands. These are the minimum system requirements for you to download if you are interested. Now, try this at first, and if you are not satisfied with the performance, you might want to go to our next contender, which is Chapek Shaders Toaster Edition. So basically, Chapek 13 Shaders Toaster Edition is specifically designed for lower-end systems. It aims to provide a good shader experience while maintaining decent performance. This shader pack focuses on optimizing performance while offering a pleasant visual upgrade. So here are some features that you might want to check, okay, if you are interested. So dynamic time of day cycles, physically plausible high dynamic range lighting system, shadows with a variable penumbra size, variable density of volumetric fog with shadows, and volumetric clouds, depth of field. Here's some sample of screenshots. Okay, but of course I need you to try and test it out first and compare it with the Lagless Shaders that we have discussed earlier, to see if it works. And these are the different versions. You have the extreme, ultra, high, medium, and low. All right, so here's some a little bit of the minimum system requirements. And then after that, if you're still not satisfied, I suggest you pick the third option. This is the Lagless Shaders mod. It's another shader pack tailored for low-end PCs. So I've used this in the past. It's designed to reduce the impact on performance while, of course, still delivering some nice visual effects. This mod can be a good choice if you're looking for shaders that won't significantly affect your FPS, or frame per second. All right, so I've used this in the past. It's a great, really, a shaders pack. And just read on some commentaries from the community if that works for you. And again, try to download and test it out, compare with the other tools like Lagless Shaders, Chapek's 13th Shaders, and this Lagless Shaders, to see if it's the right shader pack for you. But if you're not still satisfied, don't worry, because we got you covered. You might want to go here instead. This is Oden Shaders. It's a lightweight shader pack that focuses on improving water effects and overall atmosphere without putting too much strain on your system. It's a good choice for players with lower-end PCs like me, or someone who wants a more immersive underwater experience. As you can see, these are the benefits, or the things that you can get if you use the Oden Shaders, like atmosphere. The ambience that Oden Shaders create is breathtaking and magnificent in its entirety. The water effects can be seen almost instantly when they occur over water. The shadows are another game element that has received enhancements thanks to the Oden Shader update. And of course, clouds and lightning, customization, and of course, please it pays to check the system requirements. Right here, there's like pros and cons for you to take into consideration. All right, so if you want to check some video and screenshots from here, and of course I need you to make a short comparison with the other four, which is the Oden Shaders, Lagless Shaders, Silder Shaders, and Chapek 13 Shaders, or which is the Toaster Edition. And again, if you're still not satisfied with Oden Shader, I am going you the last contender, which is gonna be Builder's QAOL, or Quality of Life Shaders. Basically, Builder's Call Shaders is designed with performance in mind, making it suitable for low-end PCs. It offers enhancements to lighting and shadows while maintaining good frame rates. This shader pack is well optimized for smoother gameplay. And if you want to know more about the Builder's Quality of Life Shader, or Call, you might want to go here on this website. These are some of the screenshots that would change your mind to choose this above from the others. Alright? So again, we have Builder's QOL, Quality of Life, Oden Shaders, and Lagless Shaders, the Chapek 13 Shaders, and of course, the Silder's Shaders. Right? Now, please be mindful that when using shaders on a low-end PC, keep in mind the following tips to optimize performance, alright? Lower the shader settings within the game's option menu to reduce the graphical load. Now, experiment with different shader packs and versions to find the one that best balances visuals and performance for your system. You need to close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. You might want to consider using Optifine alongside shaders for additional performance, optimizations, and customization options. Please remember that even optimized shader packs may still impact performance on a very low-end systems. It's important to adjust settings and experiment to find the best balance between visuals and performance based on your specific hardware capabilities. Alternatively, you might want to make sure that you have the updated graphics drivers. Now, just visit the official website of your graphic cards manufacturer. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA, so I went here in GeForce Experience, and boy, I have already the GeForce Game Ready driver that I need to install right now. All I have to do is just click on download. If you don't have that option, click on the check for updates to see if you have already available GPU drivers for you to install, alright? And again, if you still have more questions about the best shaders for low-end PCs or top Minecraft shader packs, you might want to go here at Minecraft Help Center. Right? Okay, so all I have to do is provide your name, your email address, and your concern. Right? And probably some of the Minecraft Help Center would be more than glad to assist you with any of your concern. You can also type your information here. Maybe they could provide your troubleshooting steps and guidelines for you to be able to reach that. Alternatively, I need you to join the Minecraft official Discord server. They have like 1 million members and players and users wherein you can ask for the best shaders for low-end PCs or the top Minecraft shader packs. Of course, the active community will be more than glad to give you tips, guidelines, and troubleshooting if you need one. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.